Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to look at possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives show possession. They show that something belongs to someone or something. For example, you're probably watching this from your house or your flat or your palace. I don't know where you live. And this is my wallet. My wallet. We know this because it is empty. Oh, I've got 20p, but how did I get that? These are the possessive adjectives we will look at today. My, your, his, her, its. There is no apostrophe in this its. I-T-S. Its. Our. The pronunciation is our. And their. Their. Let's look at these possessive adjectives with their subjects. I, my. You, your. He, his. She, her. It, its. We, our. They, their. Let's use them in some examples. For example, I am Isolarius and this is my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and press the bell icon. You are watching my YouTube channel on your mobile or on your tablet or laptop or PC or smart TV or home cinema. There's so many possibilities. You are watching my video on your device. Your device. He is Mo Farah and that is his gold medal. His gold medal. He won that gold medal at the Olympics. He is the most successful British track athlete in Olympic Games history. Sir Mo Farah has won 4 Olympic gold medals. She is Queen Rania of Jordan. She is married to the King of Jordan. She is known for her work on improving education and health in her country and all over the world. That is her Facebook page. That is her Facebook page. You can follow her there and also on her YouTube page. That is an elephant and those are its tusks. Those are its tusks. Sadly, some people hunt and kill elephants for the ivory. This is banned in many countries and should never be allowed anywhere. My learners and I work together on the internet nowadays due to the lockdown. Our classes are all online. Our classes are all online. Their lessons are on Zoom. Their lessons are on Zoom. Now it's your turn. Fill in the blanks with the correct possessive adjectives and other suitable words. Number 1. Here I am talking about myself. Name is Isolarius. This is YouTube channel. Number 2. Here you must talk about me. Name is Isolarius. Videos are brilliant. Thank you so much for saying that. Number 3. Look at the picture. Is Shah Rukh Khan. And those are sunglasses. It's like looking in the mirror. Again, look at the picture. Name is Rihanna. Umbrella and We Found Love are songs. It's like looking in the... Oh, wait a minute. Number 5. It a shark. That is fin. Number 6. We have class in this room. This is... They have a class. That room. That is class. Remember, the missing words are not all possessive adjectives. There are also some other words which you have to put in. Also, if it helps, go back and pause to give yourself more time to put in all the words. Write them down in your notebook and copy all the words and fill in the blanks. Take your time and re-watch as many times as you need to. This is how you learn, through repetition, through listening to something again and again. It helps you understand things better. As always, you can write your answers in the comments section below or join my Facebook group for learners and post your answers there. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Until next time, bye-bye.